Welcome all, I am Parthiban Palnichami. In this video, going to show the Loeffler boiler construction, working principle and advantages details. This is Loeffler boiler schematic diagram. Here you can see the drainage at the bottom of the boiler and steam circulating pump located at right hand side. Steam main is superheated steam output portion, and then superheater also located near the uh, furnace chamber, and then radiant surface economizer, feed pump, fan, chimney, air preheater, oil, fuel or pulverized coal also located on the Loeffler boiler. This is Loeffler boiler introduction. Loeffler boiler is a forced circulation, high pressure and water tube boiler with internally fired furnace. In this boiler, the 2x3 of superheated steam is used to evaporate the water in the evaporating drum, and remaining 1x3 of the steam from the superheater is used by the turbine. A steam circulating pump is used to circulate the steam into the boiler. And the Loeffler boiler working, its main working principle is to evaporate the feed water by the use of superheated steam from the superheater. 2x3 of the total steam generated by the superheater is made to flow into the evaporator drum. The superheated steam changes the feed water into saturated steam, and 1x3 1/3 part of the superheated steam is used by the turbine to do work. And the Loeffler boiler mounting devices also located on the Loeffler boiler, as well as economizer. It preheats the feed water before entering into the evaporating drum. It is placed at lower portion of the boiler. It contains the mixing nozzle. Here the feed water is converted into saturated steam with the help of superheated steam from the superheater. Steam circulating pump, it is present between the evaporating drum and the radiant superheater. It circulates the steam into the boiler. Radiant superheater, it superheats the steam with the help of radiation produced by the burned fuel in the boiler. Convective superheat the steam to the desired temperature of about 500 degrees Celsius. Mixing nozzle is present inside the evaporating drum. It mixes the steam from the superheater with the feed water and evaporates the this is working principle of Loeffler boiler. In Loeffler boiler, the feed pump forces the water to enter into the economizer. The economizer preheats the feed water, and then it is passed to the evaporator drum. The evaporator drum has nozzle. The 2/3 of the superheater steam from the superheater enter into the nozzle of the evaporator drum, and the nozzle mix this superheated steam with the feed water. This changes the feed water into saturated steam. This saturated steam is then drawn from the evaporating drum by a steam circulating pump, and also allows it to passes through the radiant superheater. The radiant superheater superheats the saturated steam with the help of radiation energy produced from the burning of the fuel. This is working principle of Loeffler boiler. The radiant superheater tubes are placed in per furnace. The heat transfer to the water takes place through the radiation produced after the radiant superheater. The steam is passed to the convective superheater. The convective superheater is placed in the bath of hot flue gases. It superheats the steam coming from the radiant superheater to the temperature of about 500 degrees Celsius. This superheated steam is then flowed to the turbine and evaporative drum. In this boiler, 2 by 3 part of the superheated steam is used to evaporate the feed water into the evaporating drum, and remaining 1 by third part flows to the turbine. Loeffler boiler has the capacity to produce 100 tons per hour of steam at the temperature of 500 degrees Celsius and pressure of 140 bar. Also, the Loeffler boiler has some advantages. It can use salt water for steam generation. The problem of deposition of sediments and scale in the boiler tubes are eliminated. It is compact in size. Thank you for watching this video. In the continuation will be on part 9.